Hi everyone, David Anya from Arms of Wildlife. I would like to give you guys all a warm welcome to this video tutorial where we will discuss how to add existing firearm license and firearm onto the Arms of Wildlife app. Okay, let's get into it. Let's launch the Arms of Wildlife app. On your dashboard, under Firearm License Management category, we will select Firearms. In our previous video, we've covered how to create a firearm and license application. This process would be the same. Your first step would be to create your firearm. You can select any picture. You can take any picture that you would like to add as a placeholder. I'm going to say in this case rifle, and then I'm going to take a picture randomly of any item that's in front of me. I'm going to use that. I'm going to say OK. You will see that it will be added. The next step is name, what you would like to call your firearm. In this case, I'm going to call it mouse because it's a mouse. Description, I'm just going to say black. Make, you can choose any make of your firearm. Let's say in this instance, I've got a Howa. You'll see that Howa will be displayed in our pre-populated list. Model number, let's type in 1500 24-inch bull barrel. Okay, the next thing would be is to select caliber. Let's use 308. Please make sure that you put the point in front. 308. It's going to give me a list. I'm going to use 308 WinMax 7.62 by 51. Trigger, I didn't update my trigger, so I've got a standard trigger, or you can type in there the type of trigger that you've upgraded. Magazine size, the stock automatically takes 5. You can then enter action, it's a bolt action or semi-auto carbine. You can type in a custom field if you would like. It's not compulsory. Color, you can type in condition, new, second-hand that you purchased it. Then you can add your purchase price, add upgrade price. So this is the amount that you've invested in your firearm. Rounds fired, this is just a barrel count to make sure that you keep track of how many rounds gone through your barrel for barrel wear and tear. And also cleanings, dry fires, and failures. Okay, let's go ahead and push save. It's just currently saving it. There was a pop-up saved successfully. When I go back, there is the mouse firearm I've just added. We will then go to licenses. So you can either swipe left, or you can see on the top sub tab on the right hand side licenses. You can then select add. You can give your license a name. I'm going to give it rifle. Section you applied for, section 15 or section 16. The system automatically calculates your expiry date according to your issue date that you've submitted. So I'm going to say section 15. There's a list of firearms that drops down in the list. You can select any one of the firearms. I'm going to choose the mouse one. Issue date, I'm going to select today's date. You will see that the expiry date is auto-populated in 10 years from now. You can select this field and you can adjust it to the date that is printed on your license card. In the event that it differs, you can then press save. Successfully saved. There's a card with all the details. If I scroll left or select on the sub tab firearms, on the top you will see the existing license that I've captured, and it will give me the amount of calendar days left before the date of expiry. If we go back to licenses, on the top right hand corner you'll see there's a square box with a tick mark. On the top next to the contact us icon, if you select it, it's the legend. It will display you the information and what that icon means on your license card. The green filled box with a tick mark tells me it's good and it's 150 plus calendar days before expiry date. Then we've got interval notifications on expiry. So when it enters into 150 days till the expiry date, then the second notification would be urgent when it enters 120 calendar days to expiry, and then you'll get your last notification on 90 days. Please make sure you capture your details on here, even though if your license card's in the safe and you don't have it on in person. Very important. It's your responsibility to make sure that you renew your firearm license on time as per requirement of the Firearms Control Act 60 of 2000. If there's any questions or any information that you would need or require, please don't hesitate to contact us. We love hearing from you. Our contact details will be displayed on the screen. We will also add our contact details in the description. I really would like to thank you guys for your time. Have a good day. Goodbye.